Hi, welcome to Lisby Kitchen. Navaratna Kuruma is a delicious and a very popular Mughlai dish. Navaratna means 9 gems. Has 9 different ingredients which includes fruits, vegetables, nuts and paneer are used to prepare this kurma. Get this name. This kurma is less spicy and has a slightly sweet taste. Today we will learn how to make this Navaratna Kurma. So please go through the entire video, subscribe our channel. To get notification, click the bell icon. Okay. For making Navaratna Kurma, we need some vegetables, 1 small carrot, some French beans, 1 small potato, 1 and 1/4 cup of cauliflower florets. I washed it and put in hot water for some time. Half capsicum. We have 50 gram of cubed paneer and some pineapple pieces. 2 tablespoons of curd which is not sour. 3 green chilies minced and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We have some ingredients for garnishing, some cherries, raisins which is 1 among the 9 gems, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, some cashew nuts and blanched badam. To enhance the taste of this kurma, we soak 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts and 1 teaspoon of couscous in hot water for 5 minutes. And 1 onion, it's also soaked in hot water for 5 minutes. We require salt and 1 cup of water. For seasoning, we need 2 tablespoons of butter. We need some masalas. 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 number of cardamom and 3 cloves. First of all, we are going to cook vegetables, carrot, beans and potato. Add enough salt and water. Cook the vegetables till soft but not mushy. Grind soaked onion, cashews and couscous to a smooth paste. Add capsicum and cauliflower at the end as they need very less time to get cooked. All the vegetables should be cooked but must be firm. Now heat some butter in a pan. Shallow fry paneer. Keep it aside. Fry cashew nuts, blanched badam and raisins in a little butter. Cook the vegetables for 2 more minutes. Now let us start to make Navaratna Kuruma. Heat some butter in a pan. Add cumin seeds followed by bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Let it sizzle. Then add ginger garlic paste. Be careful when add ginger garlic paste. There is a chance for some blast. Now add cashew paste. Saute until it releases oil. minced green chilies, and 2 tablespoons of curd. Give a quick mix. Now add cooked vegetables. Add 1 cup of water. Close with a lid, simmer and cook till the gravy becomes slightly thick. Now, gravy becomes slightly thick consistency. Add pineapple pieces. It gives some sweetness to this dish. I took 12 small pieces. Add shallow fried paneer. Mix well. Switch off the flame. Now add garnishing items. Fried cashews, badam, raisins, cherries and fresh cream.